In 2025, making money online has become easier and more popular than ever, especially in the UK. Whether you want to work from home while traveling, or even just in your free time, there are so many ways to earn an income online. You don't need a big budget or a lot of experience to get started. Today in this video, we will be discussing the 5 best ways to make money online in the UK in 2025. Number 5. Print on demand is an excellent opportunity in 2025 in the UK. Platforms like Redbubble and Printify allow you to design products like t-shirts and mugs without worrying about inventory or shipping. Once a customer orders your product, the platform handles the printing and delivery. All you need is an eye-catching design and marketing strategy. Number 4. Voiceover work has seen significant growth in 2025, especially in the UK. Content creators, audiobook publishers, and advertisers are increasingly seeking talented voiceover artists for their projects. With the rise of platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, getting started in voiceover work has never been easier. In 2025, companies are constantly on the lookout for talented voices to enhance their projects, making it an ideal time for voiceover artists to step into the spotlight. If you possess a clear and expressive voice along with access to a quality microphone, you can start offering your services on platforms like Fiverr. Freelance video editing has emerged as one of the most in-demand skills in the UK, especially with video content continuing to dominate the internet in 2025. From YouTubers to businesses creating marketing videos, the need for skilled editors is higher than ever. If you have a knack for storytelling and creativity, video editing can be both lucrative and fulfilling. In 2025, high-quality stock photos are in constant demand, presenting an excellent opportunity for photographers to monetize their talent. If you're in the UK and have an eye for photography, platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow you to upload and sell your photos. Whether you specialize in landscapes or portraits, selling photos online is a fantastic way to turn your passion into profit. In 2025, online copywriting has emerged as the leading passive income stream, particularly in the UK, where businesses are in constant need of talented writers. Talented writers are essential for crafting compelling advertisements, engaging web pages, and effective marketing emails that drive sales. If you possess a way with words and have a deep understanding of persuasive writing, numerous platforms can connect you with clients. Websites like LinkedIn and People Per Hour offer excellent opportunities to showcase your skills and attract potential clients looking for writers. Building your own portfolio website is another effective way to demonstrate your expertise and attract clients seeking copywriting services. As the demand for quality content continues to grow, mastering copywriting can significantly enhance your income potential.